Water pooling around your toilet base is a clear sign something's off, and you gotta fix it quick before it wrecks your floor or walls. Alright, so first thing you want to do is check those toilet bolts. Sometimes they just get loose over time and cause leaks. Grab a wrench and gently tighten them, but don't crank too hard or you'll crack the porcelain, which is way worse. Next up, inspect the wax ring under the toilet. That little ring seals the toilet to the drain pipe and keeps water from leaking. If it's old or squished, you gotta replace it. Also, look for cracks in the toilet base or the floor around it because water can seep through those spots too. Make sure the water supply line isn't dripping. Sometimes that's the culprit and not the toilet itself. If you're not sure what's causing it, try drying the area completely, then watching closely where the water starts again. And don't forget to check if the toilet rocks back and forth. That movement could break the seal and cause leaks. Lastly, always turn off the water supply before doing any repairs, so you don't flood your bathroom. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water pooling around the toilet base is ignoring loose bolts, which can cause leaks to get worse fast. Fix it by tightening those bolts carefully. Another issue is not replacing a worn-out wax ring quickly enough, leading to smelly, messy leaks. Swapping it out usually solves this problem. The third common problem is missing cracks or damage in the toilet base or floor, which lets water sneak out. Inspecting carefully and fixing or replacing damaged parts can stop leaks for good. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle toilet leaks and other home repairs without hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business easily.